Welcome to SQ Car Audio, the only channel where you can find out lots of useful tips like traveling and how to pack everything on top of your sound system. And while we're at it, let's have a look at nature. Yes, every now and then you've got to have a bit of nature. So get to the ocean, do something cool, or whatever's near you, because that's great. In Australia we have funny animals that make funny sounds, and that's a kookaburra. Now on with the show. I was enjoying listening to my Sparkos SS3602s and in this sound system here when a funny smell happened. So happened that this 12 volt wire came loose and started heating up, losing its jacket, and part of it, I'm not sure which part, touched my optical cable and melted it right through. So apart from a tiny little smell, there was no actual fire. I just noticed that two of my channels were missing, and that's how we ended up there. So cautionary tale, always secure all of your 12 volt runs, and sometimes a 10 amp fuse or a 5 amp fuse is not enough to stop something from melting. Alright, catch you later.
Tengo miedo perderte después. Quiero tenerte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos, verte junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho. Ay, tengo miedo perderte después. Quiero tenerte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos, verte junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti.